Hello, this is Nathan at brothersontech.com. In this video I want to take a look at a new feature TiVo has released called Swivel Search on the TiVo Series 3. If I go from the TiVo central screen and go to Find Programs, notice all the way at the bottom they've got something called Universal Swivel Search. And I haven't used this a lot myself, so we'll just kind of tour it here together some. I have looked at it a little bit, so I've got a feel for basically how it works, but it's still a bit new to me. And it starts with just a search. And notice there's an enter for options thing there at the bottom, and we can filter things a little bit using just two different options there, not terribly much. And let's say we search for Seinfeld, and essentially this is just like doing a search on a big database of information based on all the programs that are available to the TiVo at this point. It's a little bit slow getting from letter to letter, and that could be my remote. It has a slightly slower response than the regular TiVo remote, or it could just be the software being still a little bit new. Notice it found one result there: Seinfeld. Friends living in Manhattan obsess over little things. Isn't that true? I like the description. So if I select Seinfeld, it brings up a screen for the Seinfeld series, and there's a lot of different options here, which is kind of interesting. We've got a program synopsis. I can select that. I can go ahead and record this program, and that's going to take me to my typical record screen. And if I press back, I can get back to my swivel search. Okay, we can look at upcoming showings. Notice whatever I select here on the left shows up in the bar on the right hand side. So there's my program synopsis. Upcoming showings, that's all the times it's coming on, and I can go over there and I can scroll through these guys. We've also got If You Like This. It's going to suggest other programs based on the type of program that I've currently selected, Seinfeld, other things that are similar to things I might like. Notice if it's got this little downward arrow, that's something that's available for download, say from Amazon Unbox. So this is also searching my downloadable content from Amazon, or maybe even the TiVo Cache things. I'm not really sure on that. But notice if I select Friends here, it's taking me to my page for Friends, and it's got available downloads. So I could actually go to Amazon Unbox, and I could pop over there and look through some episodes, and we can actually purchase them episode by episode. So that's pretty neat. So notice we've also got, besides the upcoming showings, available downloads if it's something that's available from Amazon. If You Like This, to find similar programs that I might like. And then we've got people who are in it. So I can, there's Jennifer Aniston. It's got upcoming programs also with this actor, or actress in this case. And we can go through the different people who are in this and the other things that they are in. And you can see it's a quick way to jump between different search terms, essentially. So you've got shows, you've got actors and actresses, and you know, it's popping through all the different ways this content is currently available to me on TiVo, and allowing me to quickly find other shows that I like, the actors who are in that and other shows that they are in. And it's just a different way to search the database than we've seen on TiVo in any other fashion. And it's really kind of neat. The problem right now is it's not completely integrated. You can tell when I pop from one thing to the other, it takes a little bit of time getting into the swivel search and then back out to the main TiVo software. So they haven't completely integrated in there, so it's not very fast yet. But I think it could be quite handy once they really get it pulled in and integrated with the other software. But that's the TiVo Universal Swivel Search on the TiVo Series 3. This is Nathan, and thank you for watching here at brothersontech.com.